Hey everybody, happy Friday. It is miserable weather-wise here in Cleveland today. You know, typical fall weather. Almost feels like winter. We got this rainy, slushy stuff going on. And still we're out working, so you know, we got that going for us. So how are you guys doing? Hope everybody's doing great. I am heading out to look at a small job here. Gonna bring you along and we're gonna get some content going here today. So getting ready to wind up. Are you guys gonna finish strong this year? I hope that everybody's had a good year this year. It's been crazy with COVID and everything else that's going on around here, but I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope everybody is finished strong. We actually have had a very good year, so I'm happy about that, and got some great things planned for moving forward. So anyway, heading to a potential enhancement job at a commercial property. So we'll see you there. We'll see you around there. All right. Hey. So one of the opportunities that I think is the best thing about doing commercial maintenance. This is one of our customers. They have multi-sites all over this part of Ohio, and this is one of them. Is the option of having basically more options, because what happens is, you know, you may be maintaining several properties for, you know, particular customers. Say you have a group of restaurants or a group of stores or something that you're doing, and then maybe one of the landscape companies that's maintaining, say, another one across town, maybe it goes out of business or shuts down or gets fired or whatever, and then they call and say, hey, you know, we need somebody to maintain this place. We need somebody to at least clean this place up. Like this place, if you look, like these shrubs and perennials and stuff, they all need to be cut back. So things need to be cleaned up. So they call us here and they're like, hey, you don't maintain this one, but this is a one-time deal where we could be doing a nice cleanup this fall. It gives us some more work for the fall, and we may be able to pick this one up next year now. So when you get into multi-sites, multi-properties with one company like we are here, I don't want to get run over by a car, you have options, and that's kind of nice. So it's getting towards the end of the year. Any business that we can pick up right now is a bonus for us, and you know, this is certainly an option that we're going to have to take care of. And I think it's, you know, it definitely was well worth my time coming out here. It's a little bit of a drive from our shop, but you know, at the end of the day, this is a nice sized property, and there's a good amount to do here for fall cleanup and that kind of thing. So that's what we're doing right now. And I found some donuts. That was a bonus. See, those are the donuts right in that box there. Don't make fun of me because they're vegan. So see that? Don't make fun of those. All right. You guys have anything to say? Cold.
It's cold.
All right, I'm here at one of our apartment buildings that we maintain, checking on the crew, doing some fall cleanups here and getting things wrapped up for the season. You know, it's we're getting there, but it's cold out here, and just trying to get things wrapped up for the end of the day. All right, cleaning up a parking lot. You know, like I said before, the opportunities when you have this is another kind of multi-site management company that we take care of this particular property for them. So we're cutting back this brush that's been just kind of growing over the parking lot. Nobody, like this building over here is vacant, so it's kind of weird. We do the plowing here, but we don't do the maintenance. And on this particular building, but we do like maintain this side of the parking lot. And we maintain like back over there. So, and then there's a commercial building next door. You can kind of see it in the background there, a shopping center that we maintain everything. So we do the maintenance, we do the plowing and everything else. So, you know, opportunities, man, opportunities are everywhere. When you're doing whatever you're doing, whether you're doing residential work or whether you're doing commercial work, opportunities, there are so many of them. So you just kind of have to look around and see what do your customers need in addition to what you're already doing for them. And if you can find things that need to be done that are going to benefit both them and you, you know, you're going to get some more revenue into your company, and you're also going to make the customer happy because, you know, they want these things done. You know, you're the person on that property. You're the person that they look to as the professional. So always look for, I call them enhancements. Some people call them upsells. But, you know, always look for the opportunities to do additional things for your customer, bring in more revenue. Makes them happy, makes you happy because you're making more money. All right, so we're going to move on to the next. So we're getting our plows ready. Woohoo! Right, Jer? Yeah, maybe we shouldn't put these on YouTube. They're pretty rough. These are they're our oldest ones. We're just trying to get a few, figure out what we need for the season here. So, we got one in the garage too. Yeah, welcome the fall in Cleveland, where we're already getting things ready for winter time. It's always fun stuff. Cold outside. We got a lot going on. Too much going on. See? And then that's working hard. Rodney's working hard. We're all working hard. Anyways. Oh, I need to go back to the printer.
Okay, that gives you an in.
All right, so it is the end of the day on Friday. And wrapping it up. It started out rainy. And now we are, you know, it's not bad out there. So, anyway, so a couple things we talked about today a little bit. We can recap is, you know, whether you're doing commercial maintenance or whether you're doing residential, it's a good idea to try to look for opportunities to, you know, maybe upsell or enhance the properties that you're working on. It's good for you and good for the customer as well. In addition to that, I hope everybody's going to finish strong this year. We're starting in November here really soon. So in Cleveland, that means we will be doing our snow plowing, snow and ice management services. So we're going to be doing that. But otherwise, you know, I hope you guys like what you're watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. And, you know, make some comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what maybe you want me to talk about in the future. And, you know, we'll get rolling on that. So otherwise, you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend, and we will talk soon. Thanks for watching.